Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Open your iPhone settings and tap Phone to manage incoming calls. Enable Silence unknown callers to send calls without caller ID to voicemail. On Android, open the Phone app and tap Settings to find blocked numbers. Toggle Block unknown or private numbers to stop anonymous calls from ringing. These built-in options work without knowing the exact number. They prevent unwanted interruptions while preserving calls from saved contacts and verified businesses. Call your wireless carrier and request anonymous call rejection or network blocking. Many carriers offer free blocking for robocalls and private numbers on your line. Install third-party apps like Hiya, Truecaller, or RoboKiller to identify and auto-block spam calls. Configure app settings to block calls labeled unknown, private, or spoofed. You can also set call forwarding to voicemail for unknown callers, or create rules that filter calls by caller ID presence. Create a contact named unknown or private and add no number to it. Assign that contact to a blocked list or use Do Not Disturb to silence that contact's calls. Save voicemail transcriptions and call logs as evidence for repeat offenders. Report persistent anonymous calls to your carrier and file a complaint with the National Telecom Regulator. Consider changing your number or enabling stricter screening if anonymous calls continue despite these steps and reports.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.